Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the support ticket number you received. That number is your single reference. Once logged in, go straight to the message or email that contains the ticket ID and copy it. Make sure your account email and username match the support record, because agents use them to verify identity. If you haven't copied the ticket, pause and copy now. If you have it, proceed to the support center and paste the ID where requested to retrieve the full ticket thread. Once the ticket thread opens, update it by adding new evidence and clear, concise details about what changed or remains unresolved. Type your update top-down, short summary, what you tried, then the exact desired outcome. This makes it easy for agents to act. Make sure attachments are named clearly and referenced in your message. If you need a different department, state that explicitly. Otherwise, wait for an agent and avoid duplicate tickets to prevent confusion. Finish by sending the updated ticket and watching for a confirmation reply. That confirms the system logged your input. If you don't hear back within about 72 hours, reply to the same ticket rather than creating another one. That keeps history intact. Should the ticket appear closed incorrectly, reopen it with new evidence and explicitly ask for escalation. If something fails, include timestamp screenshots and transaction ID in your report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.